My client lost 20 kilos or actually 17 kilos of body weight in 7 months with these tips, and in this series I'm gonna tell you between 20 or 30 tips I told to my client that helped her to lose the weight. So subscribe the channel if you want to see all the tips. So weight loss tip of the day: try to stop snacking. And snacking, of course, it's okay every now and then, but usually when people snack, especially with eating bread or something like that, you become just much more hungry and you fill yourself up with calories that are not useful. If you absolutely must snack, rather eat some fruits or some low calorie dense food, something healthy. And actually I would much rather you to see eating something that has a low GI, so GI meaning glycemic index, which is basically just means foods that does not increase your insulin, your blood sugar levels too fast, so your hunger will stay away for longer. So yeah, try to stop snacking, and when you eat your meals, try to eat foods with high protein, high fiber, and foods that does not raise your blood sugar too much, so you don't even need to snack. And snacking also for some people it's like just comfort, so try to also stop using food as a comfort.